Shifting heavy books from one place to another or from one office to another office can be really tiresome because books tend to be heavy. I'm going to give you a hack for this problem. Most of us tend to have the habit of packing books into carton boxes, and then carrying them is not at all fun as these boxes tend to get heavy as you carry them along. So instead of packing light-weighted items like clothes and all in rolling suitcases, you may rather pack them in carton boxes and put heavy items like books in rolling suitcases. This will make it easier for y'all to take them along. Do let us know how did you all like today's hack. For more interesting hacks, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks.